Hey, it's JDEANFIA. We're going to take the song You Are My Strength, and we're going to play it in the key of C, and we're going to show you some passing chords and tritones that you can use on this song. So starting off, the song is in C. We're going to play it in C. The song is in G, but we're going to do C here. It goes, You Are My Strength, right, on the 1. Then it goes down to the 4. Then it goes to the 5, G, back to the 4, back to our 1. All right, so I'm going to show you some passing chords and some tritones. All right, we're going to jump right into it. All right, that's our first one. All right, off our C. Tritone. All right. So that chord, all right, left hand I'm playing F, all right. This is when I'm playing a C, so this tritone works when I'm playing a C major chord, all right, anytime I'm playing a C major chord. All right, so I got F on my left hand. Right hand, we're gonna go up a tritone, a fourth, augmented fourth rather. All right, so we got, all right, so B, all right, and then I'm gonna play E, and I'm gonna play A. Now, if you look at that chord, you notice that it's in all fourths. F to B is a fourth of some kind. B to E is a fourth of some kind. E and A is a fourth. And they're all diatonic to the key of C. All right, so every note is in the key of C. All right. All right. So that's F in the left hand, B, E, and A. You're going to take that chord down here to this chord here. Left hand, I'm playing E. Right hand, I'm playing up a fourth, A, up a fourth to D, up a fourth to G. All right. All right, so we got, and then what I like to do is I like to come off the E flat and A flat, slide into the E and A, like that. Wow. And then go to it. So you are my, all right. If you want to spice it up, you can walk into it. All right. All right. Walk down A flat, G, G flat, F, and then when you get to F, play your chord. Now you can do however you want to. You just got to time it. All right. Alright, tritone for the 4. Alright. Same concept. All fourths. Left hand I'm gonna go to the 4, F. F is my chord. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the 4 or F, B flat, and I'm gonna stack fourths. So left hand I got B flat, right hand I got E, A, D. And the same thing, I can come off the A flat and D flat to get there. Alright, then I'm going to resolve that to a on my left hand. Right hand I'm playing D, G, and C. Alright, everything's in fourths. And that's, like I said, that's the tritone for F. Alright, you can walk into it, A flat, A, B flat. So up to that far. Messed up right there. Or you can play the chord first. Have yours. I'm just showing you the chords. So you are my. For the 5, you can play this tritone. Alright? So I'm playing left hand C, and then right hand I'm playing G flat, which is the tritone, a fourth, augmented fourth. Gonna go up a fourth to B, and I'm gonna go up a fourth to E. Now, since I'm playing so high on the keyboard, I'm gonna bring down a C at the bottom of the chord. Alright? And that resolves to left hand B and B, right hand upper fourth E, upper fourth A, upper fourth D. All right. So in context, you are my strength, like no other, strength like no other, and you can resolve through that. All right, so I'm playing A on my left hand, right hand playing C diminished 7, C, E flat, G flat, A. And then left hand G, right hand, you can play F down there left hand too. Probably add some color to it. Right hand I'm playing B, D, E, and G. Alright, or however you do it. Strength like no other. Strength like other, reaches to me. All right. One more thing you can do is, instead of playing that tritone for the 5, you can play you are my strength like no other. All right, right here. All right. Play this progression. All right. Reaches to me. Alright, so that chord there, first I'm playing, this is a substitution for the 5. Alright, so left hand G and G, you can add the D if you want there. Right hand I'm playing D flat, E, and A. Alright, and then I'm gonna resolve to this chord here, left hand F sharp or G flat and G flat, right hand playing the D major chord, adding the 9, so D, E, F sharp, A. All right, and then 3, 4. All right, so that chord there, E on my left hand, right hand playing the C major chord, first inversion, E, G, and C, and then to my 4 chord. All right, so you are my strength. All right, or all right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.